Okay, so I'm using Word 2016 to edit this document, and I'm going to set the tabs for these 5 lines. And the key is to select the 5 lines first before you do anything else. And you got to make sure that you do not select this blank line at the top, this one here, and also do not select this blank line here at the bottom after the 5 lines either. So it's just these 5 lines. And then I'm going to set a left tab. And I do not have my book with me. I'm at home, so I'm just going to set a tab here at 1 inch. And another tab, I believe it was at 3 1/4, so here's 3 1/4 right there. And then the last tab is supposed to be a right tab, so I'm going to come over here to the tab selector, change it to a right tab, and then I'm going to set a right tab here at 5 1/2. Now these may be different from what the textbook says, but like I say, I don't have the textbook with me. Okay, now once I've set these tabs, then I need to just click in front of the T of trip and tap my tab key on my keyboard, and then I'm going to click in front of dates and hit tab, and in front of cost and hit tab, and then do the same here, and October, and in front of the $sign, and do that for each line. And 2 more lines. And there's the last line. And you can see that now I've got these the text set up in the 3 columns. And I'll go ahead and turn off the show hide button here. And you can see my 3 columns. Turn it back on. Okay, now if I want to change the tabs, I need to again make sure that I select only these 5 lines, and then I can drag. So I can drag this tab set over here, and you can see that 3rd column is moving as I drag it over. And let me just move this over. I believe the book has you moving the tab slightly. Okay, then we need to set the tab leaders. So to do that, again, these 5 lines have to be selected, and I do not have the blank lines selected above or below. And then I'm going to go to the paragraph launcher here, click the tabs button, and I'm going to click on the, let me move this so you can see, click on 3.5 and set the leader tab and click set, and then click on 6, set a leader tab and set, and then hit OK, and there are the tab leaders. So that's how that's supposed to work. Actually, I believe the first line is not supposed to have tab leaders. So I'm just going to select that first line, go back to the tabs dialog box, and I'm going to click 3 1/2 and say none set, click 6, none set, and OK. So that's how you select the tabs. And Word 2016 works the exact same way as Word 2013. So the steps in the textbook should work. Hope that helps.